The future isn't coming, it's already here. Welcome to Nexedge AI Studio. Let's dive in.
I'll be taking you through how I created this stunning UGC commercial arts video.
Every beautiful outfit begins with exceptional fabric. Amazing Fabrics by Layo has it all. Welcome to Amazing Fabrics by Layo in every thread. Amazing Fabrics by I found everything I needed. The quality exceeded my expectations. Every fabric is carefully selected. Make your moments unforgettable.
So, firstly, you go to your ChatGPT because ChatGPT will be the one to create the prompt for us. So, here we are. So, this is the ChatGPT. I have my prompt already created. So, this is the prompt I use. And use a luxurious modern shop. So this was the prompt that I gave ChatGPT to use. Then after that, I went ahead and ChatGPT told me to upload the fabrics flyer, and I will create the complete 10 panel cinematic UGC commercial storyboard customized specifically for that brand. So and I went ahead and uploaded the flyer. This was the flyer of the brand that I uploaded. So this is the flyer. I uploaded the flyer. Then after I uploaded the flyer, ChatGPT went ahead and created the 10 panels cinematic UGC commercial storyboard. So you can see, and you see everything. This is the prompt. Then created the image prompt first, and then went ahead to create the animation prompt next. So after I created the animation prompt, then I went ahead, I opened my browser, I went to Google Flow. This is my Google Flow already. This was how it has been done, so I'll just take you through how it was done. So coming to my Google Flow, what I did was I copied my image prompt. I copied it from here, the 5 panels, and I went ahead and pasted it. I copied, then I pasted it. I went to my Google Flow and I pasted the prompt. Here is my Google Flow. Initially, when you open this Google Flow, this is not how it will open. Let me go back so that you see. Okay, so this is how it will open for you. Then you go to new projects. Once you open your new project, this is how the interface would look like. Then you come to this plus, click on it. When you click on it, you see that it's empty. You now come here to this upload media, then upload, click on it to take you to where your media files are. Then you upload the brand flyer that you want to use. Let's assume this is what I want to use. Then I click open, and then it will bring it here. So I'll now go back to show you the flyer itself. So because that's how it's done, so let me show you where it's the flyer. Okay, this is the flyer. So this is the flyer that I used. So I come to this plus sign, click on the plus, then upload. You click on because you had the flyer. So this is the flyer. I click on it, then I click add to prompt. Once I click add to prompt, it would come here. But just in case if the flyer is not ready, it's not here already, just click on upload, then it will take you to where you upload. But because the flyer is here already, that's why I had to just click on the flyer, then click add to prompt. So after that, then you paste the prompt that you copied from your ChatGPT. You paste it, then this is, you can see. So then you come here. Sometimes if that's your first time of using Google Flow, when you get to this place, it will not show you this video aspect. So this agent here will look like this. So the screen would look like this. So you need to click on these agents. Click on agents. So once you click on agents, it will bring you here, then it will show you this place. So firstly, what we want to create is a storyboard for the video. So you click on this place, this aspect. So because we are creating image first, not video, so click on the image. So after you click on the image, then you select, if you are actually posting on YouTube, you select 16:9 frame. But if you are posting on TikTok, or you are posting a YouTube short, you click on 9:16. So we are using a rectangle now. So this is 16:9. Then this one and this one times means it will create the image once. But if you click on 2, it will create 2 images, the same image but different style. So if you click 3, click 4, and then like that. So we are using, I created two images. I created 2 images. So I clicked on 2, then I came here. I use Nano. You can use any of this Nano Banana model. So you can use Pro or anything. So for instance, I use Nano Banana 2. So image generation on Google Flow is doesn't cost you any credit. It's 0 credit. So you can create as many as you like. So we are creating 2 for now. So click on 2, then you click here, enter. Once you click enter, it will generate the image for you. So I clicked enter, and this was the image it generated for me. You can see this was the image. It generated 2 images, but actually I've deleted one, so this was the preferred one that I chose. This was the image I used. So it was 2 images that I generated, but I prefer this. So after the image has been generated, then I went back to my ChatGPT and copied the animation prompt. This is the animation prompt. I copied it, then I went back to my Google Flow after copying it. So back to my Google Flow, then the storyboard that I already generated, this is it. So that's what I want to use to generate the video. So I went ahead. It's in 2 ways. You can either click on this plus sign, then you add the image that you want to use, add to prompt, or you come here. This is favorite. This is if in case you want to reuse the prompt, maybe you have used the prompt before and you want to reuse it again. So you click on this place, and it will bring out the prompt, and then you edit it and reuse it. But in this case, we are not reusing. We want to just want to make the video. So click on the 3 dots here, then you come to add prompt. So once you click on add prompt, then you paste your the animation prompt. Control V. So I pasted my animation prompt. So but make sure you come back to this place and change, because we are generating video, not image. So come back to this place, change it from Nano Banana, from image to video. Click on video. So once you click on video, make sure you change it back to 1 here, not 2, because if you click on 2, you'll be wasting your credits, except you have enough credits. So we are using 1 now. We are just creating 1 video, not 2 videos. So 1 video, and 1 video. For there are different models that you can use. We have Omni Flash, we have Veo 3.1 light, we have view 3.1 fast, we have view 3.1 quality. So they have different credit rates that you use. So for instance, Omni we uses 10 credits, 12 credits for 8 seconds video, while for 10 seconds video it uses 15 credits to generate it. So let's check out Veo 3.1 Lite uses 10, while this Veo 3.1 Fast use 20 credits, while this is the overall Veo 3.1 Quality uses 100 credits. I'm sure that's gonna generate like 8K video for you, quality 8K quality for you, or 4K. So but we are, in this case we don't have credit to waste, so I'll be using the Veo 3.1 Lite, which we use 10 credits. So after clicking on that, then you click enter here. This is not how this place will display. It's just because I've exhausted my credit and it's telling me to upgrade. So it will just, there will be an arrow here, just click on it, enter. Once you click on it, it will generate your video for you. And this was
Every beautiful outfit begins with exceptional fabric. Amazing Fabrics by Layo has it all. Welcome to Amazing Fabrics by Layo in every thread. Amazing Fabrics by
So you can see this was the video I generated with that prompt. So that was the first video. Because that wasn't enough, so I went ahead and went back to my ChatGPT and said, okay, ChatGPT, I want to create another video, just give me 4 more panels. This should be a continuation of the last panel, which will be the closing end card and should maintain the same format as previous one. So ChatGPT went ahead and created another image prompt for me. So 4 panels. This is it. So I did the same procedure I used. I copied it, go to my Google Flow, then selected the image that I want to use. This was the image. I click add to prompt, then I pasted it. I pasted the prompt here, then I generated the panel, the storyboard. So this was the 4 panel storyboard. You can see the way it looks, 1 2 3 4. After generating the image, then I went back then the image I generated using the image prompt, I click on this plus back, then add that image, the 4 panel storyboard. I added it, add to prompt, then I went back to ChatGPT to copy the animation prompt. Then after copying it, I went back to Google Flow. Then I came here, add to prompt. I added it to prompt. This is it. Then I pasted the animation prompt. After pasting the animation prompt, I did the same setting here, just one video. Then I click enter. Once you click enter, it will start generating from 1 to 100%. So after it generated,
I found everything I needed. The quality exceeded my expectations. Every fabric is carefully selected. Make your moments unforgettable. Join thousands of...
So you can see that was a video that was generated for me, 2 videos that was generated for me. So after that is not the end. Then you go to your CapCut or any editing software or any editing app that you like to use, CapCut, Edit, or any other editing. So I went to my CapCut, then click on create. When you click on create, once you click on create, it will take you to open Then this is the CapCut. So after it's open, you click on import. You go and import the videos. So these are my videos. So I'll be using, okay, for instance, so these are my videos. So just click on your video. These are the videos. So I click on, those are the two videos that I want to use. So you can see these are the imports. So after importing, then I drag it down to the editing line here. So you can see. So I drag it down to the editing line. Then after, when you upload, it may not, be arranged. So you have to arrange it. You have to arrange your thing. So let me arrange it. So I've arranged it. Then this was how it was.
Every beautiful outfit begins with exceptional fabric. Amazing Fabrics by Layo has it all. Welcome to Amazing Fabrics by Layo in every thread. Amazing Fabrics by I found everything I needed. The quality exceeded my
So you can see, and from here you can add any effect or any other thing you want to add. I added my logo. So that was how I created the stunning UGC commercial ads video. You can see. So it's a very simple thing. Then you can add every other thing that you want to add on your using your CapCut, any effects, or adding any letterings or anything you want to add. So that was how I created my video. So please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment and like, and try to put on your notification button so that when I post another video you can always see every update on my YouTube channel. The prompt I used to create this video is on my Telegram channel. So the Telegram channel link will be in my comment section below. Click on the link and join my Telegram channel so that you can get the prompt and work on it. Use it for your own video as well.
We have come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.